Okay, so it's working. Well, F10. I'll show what I've done. Okay. So, it looks like no one's bothered to enter anything about this game. So, you go to the database, and I'll show you the best way. So I've got a very low color mode because I got sick and tired of the refresh rate. Oh, where's Deropus here? That's Deropus. So, we're going to go down to S, and there's the wrapper right there. And depending on the Pi you have, there'll be database, because basically different Pi speeds will react differently to the speed. All this basically is a throttle. Because some games, obviously, like you said, run too fast. They'll overrun. They'll crash. So you go into the database. For example, I'm using a Pi 4. Try to right click. That's not going to work. Okay, to go down to edit. Okay, edit. So here it tells you what these different things, and I just went, oh, no turbo. I didn't do any of that. I just went down and saw megahertz. Where's that one? Yeah, megahertz. I just said, I'll tune it with that one. And you go down, it's alphabet order for convenience. I think you add, if you wanted to add it at the top, you could add it at the top. Going down to the bottom too far. It's not a very good editor, this one. What's going on? Oh, the intros. We'll get to the one. This must be all intros. Okay. Keep pressing shift and it just went through them all. Have they got the old way? Fine. No. So you see, there's not that many games here. There's over 4,000, 3,000 games. There's definitely not 3,000 entries. So I guess the WHD load wrapper people haven't done it there. So I've added MegaTwins. I first tried like 14, and it slows the whole system down, and that was way too slow. So 600 ended up being what I thought was good speed, but you could probably tweak that as well. So with that done, I then close this, I guess, and close this. And I haven't run it through iGame yet. Let's close these shells. This is the games one. WHD load. iGame. Yeah, the reason why iGame is slow is because it's if you've got colors on your original chipset, it's way slow. But it's slow here as well. It's just loading the database, it seems to. No. Why is iGame? Okay, so my iGame's not launching. For whatever reason. There's one in here as well, there's another iGame in here. Oh, maybe because I don't know why. It's got low colors. It's not going to like it. MegaTwins. So this is just 4-color workbench. It just seems to be a lot faster. Thought I saw this last time out somewhere. There it is. MegaTwins. And see the stuff down the bottom there on that line. It tells you 600 megahertz. And then you go enter. And there it is. So yeah, I think it looks good.